Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make this vine keychain. As you can see, it looks so pretty, and believe it or not, it's so easy to make. Let's get started. For this tutorial, as always, since we're making keychain, we're going to use this metal clasp, scissor, and 2mm cord, and we're going to need 3 of them. Each one is around 121 centimeter long. We're going to start by attaching the cords using Lurk's head knot. So fold them in half and then start attaching them. And now we're going to start making diagonal cloth hitch knot. And I'm going to take these two, cross them, and we're going to make the diagonal cloth hitch knot. So we take this one. After the 2 cords, we take the next one and wrap it around. And for each cord, we do it twice. So here we have 1. Just make sure everything is tight. And then the second time. And now we're going to use this cord, the 4th cord from the left. We're going to use it as a main cord or filler cord. Pull it up. And we do the same knots using these 3. So each one we do it twice, so it's going to be in total 6. Using the same cord, we're going to go down. And then we keep ignoring this. We're not going to use them right now. So this one, and we do the same. Now we're gonna put this on the side. We're not gonna use this now. We're gonna use this one, which is the third one from the left. And we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna use it for 1 and 2. I'm gonna pull it up and do diagonal cloth hitch knot. And the same one, we're gonna do it, take it down and do again the same thing. Now we're gonna take these two, we're gonna use them as a filler cord or main cord. And we're gonna do double hitch knot using all these 4 all the way down. Now what we're gonna repeat what we have done here, but we're gonna use this cord first, go up 3 and then go down 3. So this on the side, and we use this cord as the main cord or filler cord. Now we're gonna put this on the side, and we're gonna use this as a filler cord and go 2 up and 2 down, exactly like what we have done here. I like using this so it's easy to move it. So now we'll do exactly what we did here, which is this part. So we take these 2 filler cords together and we go down like this. So here we have it. What we're gonna do now to put everything together is we have here, you can see 2 long cords. So we decide how long we want our keychain to be. And then the long cord, for example, I want it to be until here. So I'm gonna cut one of the long cords. And I'm gonna wrap it around here using the wrapping knot, if I remember its name correctly. So we're gonna make a loop. And then go around. Just make sure it is tight, like really, really tight. For such a small project, I usually like to go around 4 rounds. I think it's enough. And then you put this through, you put it through the loop. And you pull the end. And then we cut everything and make sure that everything is neat. The cutting is fine. Then we hide these ends. That's how I always like to hide the ends. And here we have it, vine keychain. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to follow us for more. Thank you. Bye.